Hey, welcome. This is day 22, where the topic or the title today is When All Looks Lost, Persevere and Keep Going Forward. On the stand up yesterday, shared my plan to move forward with redeploying the original uploaded code that went to GitHub. So the code that worked successfully in the development environment and moving only within Cursor and using the Claude integration specifically within Cursor to try to ensure that it has access to all the code and doesn't continue to make mistakes over and over again. Those two changes spent probably at least 3-4 hours today going through one error after another error after another error with the production deployment. Was finally able to get the app just running and continued seemingly so far every step. And we're just still at the beginning of the registration and onboarding process of running into countless errors and issues that are just throwing it back into Cursor, into the AI, and it's fixing it and looping over and over and over again, trying to figure out what the issue is, trying to solve it, issues, try to solve it, so on and so forth. Getting tired. To be honest, getting quite frustrated. Over the last 4 or 5 days have gone almost nowhere with the production deployment. The development deployment and build went pretty seamless. Again, had issues, but solved through them, worked through them pretty efficiently. But in the production environment, has been a totally other beast in getting the thing up and running, and it's been quite frustrating. And pushing forward again, the challenge is to do 30 days to get this to launch in 30 days. I would love to just kind of throw in a towel at the moment, just with the frustration, but not going to do that. And going to keep pushing forward and persevering to get this product done. Hopefully within 30 days. At this point, I don't really know anymore because of how frustrating and how many issues I'm running into within just the onboarding and registration process within the production environment. But today will be spent with that. I'm definitely liking the Cursor and Claude integration, native integration, where it has access to all the files. I'm just saying, hey, I'm running into this error. It knows and looks already at the code that it has access to. Then it makes the changes itself. It has to have me accept everything. There may actually be a setting where it doesn't need to do that, but I'm, for the meantime, making those acceptances and pushing and deploying the code and just kind of going in the loop. So definitely happier about that and being in one environment. But the fact that we're still taken off of version one of the code that should have been clean code from the development environment and started off with that, but still running into countless issues. As not being a developer, I'm stuck and just frustrated. But that's part of building anything and most things in life. So stay tuned and staying forward. Hopefully, we'll have better news in the stand up tomorrow that we've gotten forward. But until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody.